YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Facebook, what's up? I ain't forget about you. And whatever other platform this video might end up on. For those of y'all who don't know me, I just want to say what's up to you. And I hope that you had a good, nice, beautiful Sunday. It was such a beautiful day. As you can tell by the weather, we soon gonna be not in the summer no more. Got that breeze coming in. I like it like that though, with my hoodie on. But getting back to the introduction of Sean Wickens BFC Basic Financial Concepts. I like to make videos to help people in their financial life. I like to help people understand the stock market, something that seems very hard. I like to break it down in the most simplest form, right? I like to break it down in the most simplest form that you're going to be able to understand it, right? And here tonight, the reason why I'm doing this video, I did me like a couple of flashcards, some I could look at, even though I already know this stuff, but I always go over it. You see, it don't matter how good you get in anything that you are doing, you can always self-improve, right? You can always touch up on the basics. You can always open a book, watch a video, and just study, right? So before I start drifting, let me just get it right into it. And I know y'all might see the little merchandise. Let me see if I can put my finger. Yeah. Y'all see that, right? Look at that. That's a Versace. It's our version of Versace. I'm selling these on my website. Not my website, but I partnered up with Marcia. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's a new website. It's a new like platform like eBay, Amazon. I think they've been open for like 2 or 3 years now. I started using them in about 2018. I'm starting to use it again. I just started using it like about 3 days ago, and maybe like 5, like a week. I already made 3 sales. I sell these for $20 on the website. But if I know you, or like, you know, and you might be within the area, or you within the 5 boroughs, Manhattan, I can meet up with you. I'll get you these way cheaper. I'll probably give it to you for like 15 in person, you know what I'm saying? But you're gonna pay, I gotta pay for the shipping, you know? But anyways, moving on. You like the hat? I got some hats over here too. Got this nice hat I got on. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, it's for you. I'm letting these go for $20. But you get, if you buy 2 of them, you get it 15 a piece. So you know you can do the math on that real quick, right? And for the ladies with the hats, I got some of these too. Same price, $20. But you get 2 of them for 15, you get 2 of them. You know what I'm saying? I got these on deck. I'm gonna tell you something right now. This right here. This right here. I'll tell you something right now. This right here. What's that? I know y'all can't smell this, but yo, I'm gonna tell you. One of my friends, right? Cause I picked the good ones. I think it was this one. Number one, he was intrigued. I know he got caught by the box. Very appealing, isn't it? All right. It's our version of the polo. You already know what time it is. He went like this. I swear, I ain't lying, yo. He like that. He's like, ooh. Now you know that's when something smells good. I got that nose. I don't know what it is. Like, I be going through the colognes. I'm like, nope. And then when you wear it, it's amazing. I love the compliments you get. I got these on deck, $20, man. Come on, 2 of them, 15 a piece, man. I meet it with you on person, you get it cheaper. Anyways, moving on. Let's go. Let's bring the beat back. All right, listen up. we're gonna talk about some very basic concepts in the stock market, okay? I don't care what you traded, all right? I don't care if you trade on Forex. I don't care if it's like stocks, commodities, gold, whatever, right? That chart does three things. Three things. It goes up. It goes down. I ain't gonna lie, I can smell the, hold on. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something. It smells so good, I wanna lick my arms. That's like with this shit. And when you smell it, yo, you just like, it smells so good. Sometimes you put too much, you be like, yeah. You like, yeah, y'all gonna smell my motherfucking ass. You be like this. You be like, sometimes I do like this. I be mixing this shit. I be mixing this shit. I'm like, nah. I'm like, ooh, you get it everywhere. You gotta get both of these. This one smoke good, but it's not as good as this one. Fuck, in my opinion. This one smoke good, but this one here. All right, we're gonna get to the video because I'm over here. You know, put that right there so you can look at it. I want to look at it. Go ahead, get your look on. All right, so the stock market does these 6 minutes in. It's all right. Stock market does three things. It goes up, it goes down, and it goes sideways. Okay. So we're gonna go over that. This is what's known as an uptrend, okay? An uptrend is your friend. As you can see, the dollar signs, if you invest down here, you know, or even somewhere around here in the middle, the dollar signs is gonna be going up. The percentage value is gonna be going up, okay? Uptrend. This is gonna be the price point over here. Whenever you're looking at the line, always start over here. This is your price point. Wherever there's nothing else, okay? All of this is history. That's history, but this is uptrend, all right? And I hope that's not backwards for you guys. But uptrend is your friend, I like to say, and that's me right there. Uptrend is usually loved by day traders, swing traders, and short-term traders, okay? Long-term, don't care. And the reason why I say long-term don't care, because long-term investors, they put their money into an asset and they forget about it. They're gonna see it 15 years down the line, 20 years down the line, 5 years down the line, you know? They're not looking at it every day. I mean, if they are, you know? But most long-termers, they don't care about none of this stuff. Day traders buy and sell in one day. So they love uptrends. I'm gonna jump into this and jump out the same day. I love uptrends. Swing traders, I'm gonna trade, you know, within 2 days or a week, you know, 2 weeks. I love uptrends. Short term, same thing. Just a little longer. I believe it's less than 6 months, I believe. I'm not too sure on that, 100%, but short term. You already know the terminology, short term. Okay? I love this right here. Love it. Love it. Recognize it. How do you know a stock is going to do this? Just know, like, companies like, you know, the big companies that always do this. They do this on a regular basis. It's nothing. Companies like Apple. You invested in Apple 15 years ago. You invested in Amazon 15 years ago. You invested in whoever 15 years ago, the greats. Okay? Moving on. How y'all like the music, you know? Hold up. Give me a second. Smells so good. I gotta warn you too, if you wear this and you don't like attention, like you don't like people always coming up to you saying, what is that? Talking to you, then this ain't for you. And don't be looking at my shoulder muscle, because I see you. Look at the shoulder muscle. Alright. The next thing. Okay. Opposite of an uptrend. Opposite of an uptrend. You see where the price point is at? It's at the bottom over here. Okay. So basically I did an uptrend. Excuse the fingers and everything. Y'all you know. And then it started going down. That's a downtrend. Downtrend, as you can see, the dollar sign is going down because that's going to start eating at your profits. If you didn't take your profits, and the percentage value start going down, okay? Who likes downtrends? Okay, now we're gonna go over here and say downtrend is not your friend. Downtrend is not your friend. Unless your dollar cost averaging, okay? Alright, so downtrend, day traders, swing traders, short term, use this. And notice I got something underneath friend. It's gonna be short selling. What is short selling? I'm gonna explain that real fast, okay? Again, long term, don't care. Short selling. There's people that make money even though the stock market is going down. How do you make money if it's going down? It's called short selling. I really can't break it down because I don't do it. I haven't done short selling myself. But basically, short selling is like, in a nutshell, something is valued at, let's say it's valued at $10. I own it. It's now valued. I bought it for $10, right? I bought it from someone for $10. Okay. See if I can do this. I bought it from someone for $10. So let's say I got this pen. This pen is worth $10. All right. You gave it to me. I bought it from you for $10. Right. I got it. Now as the price is going down, I sell it for $7. Let's say it gets at 7. I sell it for 7. Right. Leaves me with $3. And I just messed that all up because I forgot how it goes. I tried though, right? I ain't gonna lie, I ain't good with short selling. I don't do it. But now there's people who are good at short selling and they make money when stock market go up. Because I know how to do that part. I got that part. I understand it. Yeah, I got that locked down. And they know how to make money when it's going down. They know how to short sell. That's something else. There's no way you can make money in the stock market. Okay, now the third thing that a stock could do is this. I want you to pay attention now. I mix uptrend with some downtrend, okay? But when you see the arrows, that's mainly like consolidation, okay? You see it starts to go up. Go over here, what's that? All right, you see I got the camera flipped, so it's tricking me when I fucking try to follow the lines. You follow the lines of your own. So you see the uptrend, and then when there's an uptrend, it'll gap down a little bit. That's called a gap down. What it did, it gap down, and then it'll have some consolidation. That's like we don't know what's gonna happen. It could go back up, it could go back down. And one of the ways that we try to find out what's gonna happen next, we have to look at the history, right? We have to look at the history. So this would be like your support line, right? That would be a support line. So this is a support line, but we don't know if it's gonna bounce up or down, so we have to wait. And as you can see, the next step it did, it went down. Then it will repeat the same thing. Consolidation, go up, consolidation, go down. Now the patterns are always the same, but you will be able to identify it. When you start learning these basics, because you got to learn the basics, some of y'all just want to jump in. Hey, give me the money, where's the money? No, you gotta mess up. You have to learn the basics first, right? And when you get the basics, this is the basics. What is an uptrend? What is a downtrend? What is consolidation? When you start studying these basics and you get it, now you move to the next step, and then 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 as you're going along and you're implementing this stuff, as you're trading, you start combining everything, you get better and better and better and better each time. Now, yeah, you're gonna mess up along the way, but messing up is good. You see, in business, messing up is good. You learn. It's like you gotta experience it. You gotta feel what it's like. You gotta You can't read about somebody who fell and you think you're gonna have a good streak your whole business career. There's not gonna be no hiccups, no roads, no bumpy roads. You need that. It's good for the soul, you understand? Because now you get the experience. So that happened to me, like when I first started trading. I got my butt kicked. Because I was trading penny stocks. I didn't understand penny stocks and like Apple trade different. But if you don't study that, you will never know that. Penny stocks and Apple trade way different. The whole physical of the stock just trade different. LaShawn Wiggins, BFC, we 15 minutes in. I don't know how much time I got left. But basically consolidation is this. Stand by and wait. Now these rules I applied is mainly for people like when y'all see me doing them Cash App videos. Y'all see I be like taking out money like, you know, a day or 2 days later. You know, I don't take out money every day because the trades are not set up that way. I could do this like 2 or 3 times out of the week, right? That simple thing. Let me tell you something. When you start understanding the stock market, I'm gonna tell you something right now. This, you can never get it at 100% what's gonna happen next. You can never get it at 100% what's gonna happen next, but I'm gonna tell you what. You could be like 75, you could be like 70, you could be like 70%, 80%. You throw some indicators in there, now you increase it. You know how to use the indicators, the 20 moving average, the 200 moving average, the RSI, the MACD. Come on, man. Basics first, y'all. A lot of y'all, I know y'all be calling me, hitting me up like, yo, what's up? And I be giving y'all the cold shoulder. I do that for a reason. Because I want to see how serious you are. And if you're serious, you're going to go do it on your own. You ain't going to be calling me, asking me what to pick. I'm saying, pick that. No. Because just because I told you what to pick, you pick it at the wrong time. You pick it, you buy it when it's at the high and it's about to drop. So now you jumping on late because you got busy at work or whatever the case might be. So you jumping on late. I said you'll get Apple, and you jumped in at the high. You jumping at the 52-week high, and it drop on you, and now you mad at me. No, you see, when you go through the basics. Now, if I say, yo, Apple a good buy right now, you on your own could go look at the chart and do what it do. You see what I'm saying? Like, nah, not yet. I'm gonna wait till it drop a little more. It's at the resistance. I'm gonna wait till it drop back down to the support. I'm gonna wait till the RSI is undersold. Then I'm gonna sell when it's oversold. Take my profits. That's how I look at the screen. I'm like, that's how I look. If they can have a camera on while I'm doing my stock shit, that's how it be. That's how you gotta be. You know what you're looking at, know what you're doing. You know, making little cross lines and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? LaShawn Wiggins, BFC, I'm out of here. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all the videos. Y'all see the fitness. I don't work out that much, just a little bit. I do my little push-ups. And I shadow box. My new thing now is shadow boxing. And the good thing about shadow boxing is like aerobic at the same time. And if you do this, when you get into a fight, they be like muscle memory. And you just be punching up, you just be jabbing the guy's face up and you don't even know what's happening because your hands are going so fast. You know what uppercuts come with the hook. You be hitting it so fast, you hit it with jabs and uppercuts at the same time. You just go like this and Hey, I like having fun, as you can tell, right? Now, what else we got here? One of the good things about trading today, they have this. Free commissions and fractional shares. This is a game changer. This opened the door for a lot of people who couldn't trade before. When I first started trading, there was no free commissions. Robinhood ain't coming. Robinhood wasn't in the game yet. So that means when you traded, You had to save up, because when you started trading with small money, it would get ate up by the commissions right off bat. You was $18 in the hole. What that mean? I buy a trade, I'm $18 in the hole. $9 in, $9 out. So now I gotta be $18 profit to break even, then plus, that's my profit. You don't gotta do that no more. Now, 30 cents yours. Taxes. Y'all always be asking me about taxes. I always leave that out, right? Taxes. If you hold a position longer than 1 year, a day longer than a year, you pay income taxes as a investor, which is very cheap. Probably like very cheap. It's the cheapest taxes you'll pay. If you sell your position before a year, then you're gonna pay earned income tax. You're gonna pay the same tax as you get from your job. Earned income, you earned it, right? They're gonna treat it as you like you physically made it. Put in the same category, all right? So if you, let's say you buy a position today. Today is 13, 14. You buy a position today, and 364 days later, you sell it, you're paying earned income tax. 366 days later, you're paying investor tax. Now that's where the discipline come in. To buy these positions and hold them a year. And as you're doing it, your dollar cost averaging at the right times. I don't trade like that yet. I'm still in my experimental stage before I get to the master stage, and I'm just having fun. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, showing you guys what's going on. Team Tesla, stand up. And Sean Wilkins BFC. I'm out of here. Don't forget about the merchandise over here. Right there. Next to my thumb. $20 online. I'm gonna post it on my Facebook. I'm gonna also try to put the link in the description below, or you could just even comment below. We could talk like that. I give you my email, whatever. I'm new to this internet stuff. Don't know what's going on yet. Peace. I like the music too. I know I said peace, but y'all know how I say bye a million times. I don't really want to leave. I hate saying bye. We were just gonna jam here a little bit. I'm tired of listening to rap music, I guess because I'm older now. Rap music don't really do it for me. I get some of this right here. I drink my Arizona. It's my favorite juice. I notice I keep doing it. Hey. It made me feel good too. How come when people dance, they be doing stuff like this with their lips? Alright, let me get up out of here.